What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, it's the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Also, make sure you follow me on my Twitch, King Hustle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from those YouTube channels and the Twitch. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so you won't miss out on nothing. Also, make sure you should follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. I already got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for. All right. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Hey, let's get this thing started. Hey, what to do, my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members. And we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you tired of being a zero, you ready to be a family hero. Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen, because you already know when I drop these videos and you'll get them notifications, it's going to be some information that's going to help you win. All right. And in today's video, we were talking about business funding. There's a lot of people out there with new small startup businesses. There's a lot of people out there looking to figure out and learn how to start getting funding for their new small startup businesses. And the only thing separating them from making it happen is the knowledge, because we all know knowledge is power, and power is financial freedom and generational wealth that is created with the knowledge. All right, so we're going to talk about small startup businesses, how you can start getting funded with your new small startup business, and where to go to get funded for your new small startup businesses, because a lot of people still trying to figure out. So with that being said, let's get into these gems that's going to help you win. All right, so for all my people out there with new small startup businesses, you got your LLC and got your EIN number. Now, first thing I want to say is, for my people out there, understand that please be making some type of revenue before you start your LLC or get your EIN number and all that, because a lot of people start these businesses with good ideas, meaning that they're not actually making revenue with this business. They don't actually make any money with the service that they're trying to offer. They just had a good idea. So they say, oh, I'm gonna get my LLC and my EIN number, start my business. And then once they try to start that business, they start to see how much revenue that you have to put into this business to actually start it and structure it the right way. So people got to understand that when it comes to starting businesses, you have to already be generating some type of revenue, because it's going to cost you some. It's going to cost to start up a actual business. It's going to cost to structure your business the right way. So if you cut hair, do hair, whatever that you do, please be already making some revenue for whatever service or product that you are selling and offering. Now, for my people that are already making some revenue with the product that they're selling and offering, get your LLC and get your EIN number. Once you get your LLC and you get your EIN number, then you want to get your business bank account. Now, when it comes to getting your business bank account, you want to go to a bank that is a credit union or a smaller bank, because those banks work with the smaller people with bad credit. They help you get funding faster and easier. Vice versa, bigger banks. Now you got your business bank account, checking and savings. Now you got your LLC EIN number. Make sure your business is structured the right way. A lot of people start these LLCs and they just throw something together real fast. Half-assing your work will not get you anywhere. You have to have a real business email. You have to have a real business address. You have to have a business um, phone number. You got to have your business has to be registered with the public records through the Better Business Bureau. That's how you properly structure your business. So getting a virtual address, getting a new number for your business, getting a email, not a Yahoo or a Google, but a John Smith at cleaning.com, or a John Smith at productions.com, or John Smith at sneakerservice.com, like a real business email. Virtual address, getting your business registered with the public records. Now you have a structured business. Nothing is not connected to you. You separating the two entities. You are an entity and your business is its own entity. So now you then structured your business, got your business structured the right way. Now you need to get your Dun and Bradstreet, because your Dun and Bradstreet will help monitor and your business credit scores. Then you need to get your NAV Business Credit Builder trade line. That's going to be your first trade line to start building your business credit profile. Then you want to go to creditstrong.com and get their business credit trade lines, because that's going to the trade lines that they offer on Credit Strong for business will improve or will build every business credit score that you have except for your pay deck score. Now, in order to build your pay deck score, you need to get net 30s. Net 30s are trade lines that you get, equipment trade lines that you can get to pay off within 30 days. The more the better, the sweeter the juice. So the more money that you're showing that you can pay off on your business credit profile, just like on your personal credit profile, it will help you get an 80 pay deck score higher and higher funding. What you also want to do is get secured loans and secured credit cards, because secured loans and credit cards will report on your business credit profile to show that you can manage an X amount of money. And by you paying on that secured loan or credit card, which you're only paying the interest, they start sending you perks and offers for higher limit for unsecured credit cards and loans on the business side. So it's just a little trick that people utilize to start getting funded on the business side the proper way. And a lot of people think it's just hard to get a structured business to get funded. No, you just got to have some money coming in and being generated so you can be able to fund this business. So those are the basic steps of structuring your business. Now, a lot of people utilize, sometimes people use their personal credit profile to be a personal guarantor towards their business credit profile, which will allow them to start getting business funding faster. But it all boils down to, where do you go to get the business funding? So today we're going to be talking about a place that's helping new small startup business get the bag, and we are going to be talking about David Allen Capital. All right, David Allen Capital. All right, business funding for small startup businesses. One application, multiple lenders, best offer guaranteed. So get your best funding option fast with our Bank Breezy platform. At David Allen Capital, DAC, they're committed to helping businesses owners succeed. That's why they created Bank Breezy, a one-stop solution that connects you with multiple top funders throughout single application. With more funders competing for your business, you get the better approval odds and the best repayment terms. We are so confident in our platform that we offer a meet or beat guarantee. Get $500 if you funding platform. Bank Breezy cannot meet or beat your funding offer. So the best odds for approval. Access many providers without the hassle or apply all over the internet. Providers compete here. Top funders bring their best offers to earn your business. Soft FICO check only. Your credit score is safe. We use the soft pool to connect you with the best offers. So super fast process. Doesn't take too much. A 5-minute application with funding is fast. At the same business day, complete your application. Fill out a quick online application. It only takes 5 minutes. Provide basic business details, your 3 most recent bank statements, and a voided check and a driver's license. Get your best offers. Your dedicated funding specialist will work with you to explore your funding options and present you with the best approval offer. Accept and receive funds. Choose the offer that's right for you, and once accepted, your funds are deposited quickly, allowing you to focus on ongoing your business. All right, so fuel your business growth with quick, easy funding from $10,000 to $2 million. All right, so approval amount is generally within one or two current monthly revenue minimum qualification requirements. So 4 months in business, $15,000 monthly sale. If you are doing less than $15,000, you may be eligible for our instant micro funding. We'll check that out next. 550 plus owner personal FICO in US and Canada. So those are the requirements. Grow your business, upgrade your equipment, hire employees, purchase inventory, expand and renovate, pay down optional costs. So then they got the instant micro. If you make anywhere less than $15,000 a month, they got the same day funding for smaller businesses and gig workers. So get up to $10,000 a day. So how it works: apply, complete a simple application, and securely verify your bank account in minutes. Approved, instant approval. Review your terms in seconds. Access funding of $300 to $20,000 today. Qualifications is simple. Do you qualify? Our qualifications are far easier than big banks. So simple requirements: $3,000 monthly bank revenue plus 3 months in business. Simple process. Answer a few questions. Link your bank account. Review approval terms. Accepting funding offer. Receive funds. Easier qualifications. Transparent terms. No collateral required. Funding relationship. Payment history earns you more. Receive funding. Again, add on funds and available. So the more you make on payments, the more you build a relationship with them. Right. So David Allen Group has a new small startup business loan up to $20,000. Easy approval. 3 months in monthly revenue. 3 months in business. That's all they ask for, and you can get the bag for your new small startup business. All right, so make sure you guys are checking out David Allen Capital because they will help you succeed and win when it comes to the business world. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime one-on-one limited gems are $1,000. But for limited time only, I'm doing them for 600. Yes, 600 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know you payment ready. And we will go from there. All right. No screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions. And please do not yell me. Also, make sure y'all book your seat on the webinars Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 250. 10 seats available. Ask me and get help with anything that you want to get help with in the class-like setting. So don't miss out on that. Also, make sure y'all book y'all see it on crypto tour in-person limited gyms, $3,500, $500 deposit, the rest of the money meeting person. Make sure y'all book y'all seat on the month-long mentorship, $1,000. First 10 people, 500 plus a free load, so don't miss out on that opportunity. Make sure y'all checking out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato App, me and their network. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, women, gamers, streamers, and content creators. We're going to do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, networking, and having fun. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the notification bell on my YouTube channels, my Twitch, my IG, and TikTok. Make sure y'all follow me. Make sure y'all check it out the crypto world because it's changing people's lives. And with that being said, it's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson video or live. Peace.